Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mirrorless cameras for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fujifilm XT-200. Our experts' pick for the best mirrorless camera for beginners overall is the Fujifilm XT-200. This DSLR camera embodies a classic SLR shape, with an eye-level finder and a grip on the right-hand side. Inside, you'll find Fujifilm's renowned 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, which handles color differently than other digital sensors. That makes it uniquely capable of capturing pleasant-looking images with no editing required. It even emulates famous Fujifilm film stocks. The 3.5-inch vari-angle screen punches above its weight at this price, and the camera gives you tactile controls with knobs and buttons that make for super quick navigation once you get the hang of it. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Canon RP. This affordable Canon mirrorless full-frame camera for beginners offers a very nice 26.2 megapixel resolution for just under $1,000 retail. It shoots 2160p video and employs Canon's facial tracking focusing system. The body looks and feels a lot like a DSLR, so it will be an easy transition if you're making the switch. It will also work excellently with Canon's huge back catalog of EF lenses if you get the simple adapter to go with it. At number 3, we have the Sony a6400. This isn't the most recent addition to the Sony a6X00 line, but you can find it for a solid deal, including a lens, and it will give you lots of room to grow into it. The sensor employs Sony's 4D focusing system, which is meticulous when it comes to keeping faces in focus, even when you're moving around. The screen flips up to face you so it doesn't stick awkwardly out to the side of the camera. Plus, it shoots beautiful 4K footage of your lovely mug. At number 2, we have the Nikon Z50. This isn't the smallest mirrorless camera on the market, but the Nikon Z50 is smart about the space it uses. The whole thing weighs less than 14 ounces, which is a pittance compared to some DSLRs. Despite its small size, it still offers a selection of tactile controls and a chunky hand grip to go with its 20.9 megapixel sensor and advanced AF system. And finally, at number 1, we have the Olympus OMD-EM10 Mark IV. The Olympus OMD-EM10 Mark IV is a tiny little camera with some impressive specs. Its micro Four Thirds sensor moves in 5 different directions to try and counteract the movement of your hands as you press the shutter. It's the best mirrorless camera for beginners looking for image stabilization. It promises up to 4.5 stops of shake correction, which is up there with the best of them. Despite its small size, you also get a solid collection of tactile controls, including a mode dial and control knobs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.